Another thing I added today is users. So originally Django provides own functionality for the users. We can find them under authentication and authorization group panels. So we have users and also we have groups, and we can restrict some functionality of the application by groups, and but by default Django has pretty small possibilities for user management. So users can have an email like this, but it is not available by default. It is also no functionality for verification of emails and user sign up, so it should be added by ourselves. And for this I usually use a library with name AllAuth. This is one of the most powerful libraries, Django AllAuth, for Django. So it has also support social network authorization, provided a pretty long list of the supported social networks, including Facebook, Google, GitHub, GitLab, so many. And also has very flexible configuration for having almost any customizable user management system in the application. So I added this library. You can see it here, Django AllAuth 0.40.0, and this is the latest version of Django AllAuth. And I added one into the install tabs under the settings, application settings. And I added 3 applications here. All of them are from AllAuth library. The core local accounts, and also supporting of social accounts. This is the minimum list of the AllAuth applications required to be included into the install tabs. So I don't use any social accounts authorization now, but it is required to have login, logout, etc. functionality working. And also I added AllAuth views and controllers under the accounts path on our website. So let's see how it works. I will log out here, log out from admin panel, and try to get something under accounts. There is no accounts, some our specific accounts page yet. So if as we are under debug mode now, Django show what URLs we have under the accounts, and we have sign up, login, logout, password change, editing email, confirming of email, reset password functionality, etc. So for example, let's see how login pages look, how login page looks like. It is not styled, because it's just small chunk of the template. So as we have any project template for our website, for the whole website, we just see the raw HTML form. So it's pretty empty. But it lets us to log in, and we can also sign up here. I customized the sign up process and sign in process to be used with email only, email and password. The Django originally use username but not email, but for the general users that will subscribe to some alerts, I think they should not think about username at all, so email is enough. And let's try to sign up. I didn't test it yet. Maybe it will not be working because I didn't set up email backend, but let's check how it will works. Okay, they always don't like my passwords. Okay, yes, it says that the connection is not established. This problem came from the unconfigured email backend, so it tried to send me an email but failed. So let's customize. Let's set some dummy email backend without real sending of the emails to end user, but we will see it in the console, Django console. Django core mail backend. So, okay, let's see how it works. I will try to sign up again. No, I should enter the password. Oh, a user is already registered with this email. Okay, so it was registered but didn't send the email, and this is why it is failed. Let's sign up a new user. Oh, let me check how it turned correct way. I just forgot to add specific email backend class under the email backend setting, so it should work now. Sign up again. Okay, here it is. After sign up, user redirected to profile page that is not also not implemented yet. We should add it later. But if we look at the Django console, I started Django right in the ID. So you can see this is an email that Django sent to me. And there is a link to confirm my email. Let's click on it. Okay, please confirm that email is in my email address. Confirm. Here it is, and I get back to the profile page. So now let me show what we have under the admin page. I'm logged in as the user that just signed it up, but this user don't have enough permissions, so I should log in as the admin. Okay, so we have users now, and only one is staff. And also there are email addresses listed by the AllAuth, and it has the verified flag. It is not important for our super user because it was not created through the sign up, but for the real users of the website it may be important, so we should require email to be verified to send some email notifications, etc., to prevent spam, for example. Okay. So the next step here is there are two tasks here. At first, we should add some base or default template for the project. So all the pages, now we have pages, other pages than admin pages. So all the pages will be styled and look better. Another task I see is to continue with adding the data models for customers. Now we can create a customers table, and also tables for alerts and notifications, etc. Now we have everything for this. So I think it is two next tasks I will work tomorrow. So it's all for today.